Hey guys, as most of you already know, they just added some more stuff to World War II Zombies, and that is some more hidden secret character unlocks. Originally, we started out with 6 characters that we could unlock, and I've got 4 of them here unlocked, and now, today, they've added 12 more. Recently, Sledgehammer had made a post on Reddit and asked people what their recommendations were for bettering the game or problems that they've seen in zombies, and people were saying we need more challenges, like we need maybe daily orders, or something like that. So they are definitely answering the call with this one. This is very cool. A lot of people complained that their first map got very boring very quickly, but I think that that's because of some hacks that had kind of ruined it. There were the 6 characters with these very difficult hidden challenges that nobody had known about until like people got into the code and posted it on Reddit and showed everything that you had to do to unlock them. So that kind of expedited, everybody solving this a little too quickly. So it's really nice to see new character unlocks available now to, extend those challenges. I have seen some information about these characters and I'll be talking to you guys about that in just a moment. But the good news is that these hidden challenges cannot be hacked. Earlier today, someone reported on that and I believe them because if they could be hacked and revealed, people would have been blasting them all over Reddit already. So yeah, I think these are going to be secure, which is great. That is going to give a lot of longevity to this game mode, and it's also going to help bring the community together to work together to unlock these. Now, how long that's going to last, I don't know. There's a possibility that when this comes out on PC, people might be able to get in and see what they actually are, but hopefully these will stay hidden because, yeah, it's going to make it so much more fun. The information that I do know is that, yes, there are 12 new hidden, characters that we have to unlock, and each of them have 3 challenges. Instead of 5, like the recent 6, these 12 only have 3 challenges each, for a total of 36 challenges total. Every challenge has a small hint to them if you hover over them. Now, I'm not going to go over all of them. Most of the hints are very cryptic, and we may not even really understand them until we play DLC 1, and then we might be able to start putting some of the pieces together with those hints. But one of them, you can definitely tell that they want you to play without armor, and then another one kind of seems like, maybe complete the boss fight, but those are real obvious because, those are the challenges we've had before. I do have information about what you do actually unlock, but first I want to talk about when can we actually unlock these? Can we do these now? Can we actually start hunting for them? Or are we going to have to wait until DLC 1 comes out and we can only do these on DLC 1 map? And if that's the case, then yeah, people that don't have this DLC cannot participate in unlocking these. I had seen some information earlier on Reddit that we're not going to be unlocking new characters. We're going to be unlocking new outfits for the characters that already exist. I don't think you're going to have those other characters unlocked before you can actually get the new outfits. I think it's just going to be, same character, but with different clothes. And I don't know if that's true or not, but it seems like the person on Reddit definitely seemed to be convinced of it. So, I believe them. And big shout out to CODFan15 for posting that. They had also mentioned that some of these unlocks are not something we're going to be able to do with this DLC 1. We're going to have to actually go to DLC 2 and 3 and, maybe even 4 to complete some of these challenges. Also, you guys may know that orders have now been implemented, but they're not live yet. Probably going to happen when DLC 1 actually goes live. And some people had questioned maybe these orders will tie in with these unlock challenges. Like it's going to, tell you to go do something and then all of a sudden you have, one of these objectives unlocked. But based on some of the hints, it doesn't look like it could be set up that way, but I could be wrong. I think it would be a smart move for Sledgehammer to implement some of the challenges in the orders, because then it would get people playing every day trying to get them unlocked and see what was hidden, and it would definitely add so much more replayability to their mode. Based on how they run the orders on multiplayer, and I think they give them crates over there, we're probably going to be able to actually earn zombie crates now, so that is really great news. Also, it's possible that we may be earning tokens too in the future, because with this recent update, they added 9 new mods. Well, there's 9 tokens left over, and that does not leave any room for future mods. But with the system and orders being implemented, that is a great way to earn more tokens if they offer them, and if they add more mods with future DLC. I'm not going to go over all the 9 new mods. I've already made an entire video about that, and they did actually end up putting all of them in that I talked about. And since they gave us 9 of them for this new DLC, then yeah, what are they going to do in the future? We're going to be out of tokens, so yeah, these orders might be helping with that. But I think they did an amazing thing here. We've got new characters and orders being implemented. I know a lot of people were worried about replayability, but I think they are fixing that problem. I'm very excited excited about the game mode now. I'm going to be excited to see the first person actually unlock one of the new hidden challenges, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.